Of the things that brought tears to my eyes. Papa said we have to be wise to live long lives. Now I recognize what my father said before he dies. Vocalize things I've left unsaid. Left my spirit unfed for too long. I'm coming home to my family where I can be strong, be who I plan to be. Within me, my ancestry, giving me continuity. Would it be remiss to continue in this way? Would you rather I quit? Come with that other shit, making people hips sway. Lip service I pay, but I'm nervous. I pray for all the mothers who get no sleep. Like a lifeline, I write rhymes cause my compassion is deep. For the people who fashion me, my soul to keep. And this is who I happen to be. And if I don't see that I'm strong, then I won't be. This is what my daddy told me. I wished he would hold me a little more than he did, but he taught me my culture and how to live positive. I never wanna shame the blood in my veins and bring pain to my sweet grandfather's face. In his resting place I make haste to learn and not waste everything my forefathers earned in tears for my culture.
I'll never be, I'm the boy who you reduced to tears. Dad, I've been lonely for 27 years. Yeah, that's right, my name's Bob. I'm the one who landed the pop star's job. I'm the one who you told Luke don't touch. I'm the kid who wouldn't amount to much.